Hi, what's up guys? It's Newman here and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency of your choice right from the Binance app. Okay, you've probably heard of Binance and maybe you've installed and verified your account, but you don't know how to go about it. You don't know how to buy or use the app. Okay, this is going to be a general video showing you how to buy, whether it is Bitcoin or Ethereum, Solana or USDT, how to buy from the app. Now, before we move ahead, I want to do a little introduction here. As you can see, the very first we have this section, these first three sections here. The first one is the P2P trading. The P2P simply means peer-to-peer, so it's like you are going to be buying directly from someone else who has the currency or the crypto that you are looking for. So you buy from that person and then you are good to go. The second section is buying with the Visa card or with the MasterCard. If I click on it here, so here this is, you are buying directly from Binance itself. So if it is, let's say you want to purchase Ethereum, I'm going to be buying at Binance rate. So Binance rate, one Ethereum is 23,070 Ghana cedis. Okay, so then you can buy here, but today's video will be limited to the P2P trading, which is also by far the easiest. So you just click on P2P here. Okay, so here we are in the P2P section. So before I go ahead, as you can see, we are in the buy section. At the top here is the left is the sell section. Okay, this is where if you own a cryptocurrency and you want to sell, whether it is a BTC that you want to sell to someone, you come and then you do the selling here. But this video is for buying, so you go back to the buy. At the top here, when you drop down, you have the various currencies that you want to purchase. So you have the BTC, the BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, Solana, and so forth. So I'll be sticking to USDT here. So now, depending on how much you have, you select. So this first person here, I don't know the name, Iban Mam or what. Okay, he's selling 1 USDT for 13.09 cedis. But before you can purchase from him, you need to either, if you look carefully, you need to either have GT Bank or Fidelity Bank. So you'll be paying him through GT Bank or Fidelity Bank. Now the next person here is by plan. He is selling one for 13.10 Ghana cedis, and then he's saying his minimum. So let me just click on this first person here to show you something. Okay, so here we are. His minimum here is 200 cedis. So if I'm to enter 80 cedis here, as you can see, I can't purchase with 80 cedis. Even if it's 150 cedis, I still can't purchase unless I'm buying 200 cedis and then buying within this range at the top, the limit at the top. Okay, I only want to buy some 100 cedis, so let's look for a different customer. So we take this guy, the Stifler. Now never mind, don't worry so much about this. You see the verified badge on him. This one also has a verified badge. The next person doesn't have. In most cases, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that so I'll be buying from this guy here. Now let me just enter the amount. His minimum is 80 cedis. Let me just purchase 100 cedis. You click on the buy crypto, you see how much crypto you'll be earning for that amount. Okay, so you just go on. Okay, so here you have the basic info. So as you can see down here, so I'll be using 99.95, buying one at a unit price of 13.10 or 0.10. The crypto amount is 7.62 USDT. Okay, but here I want to show you something. you click on the person's profile here at the top. When you click on it, you get some basic info. Okay. So at this point, you can see the number of trades the person has completed. So we do this mostly to avoid fraud. Okay, as you can see, he has done 1,825 trades. He has completed 97.65%. That is very good. Even if it's 90%, is still good enough. You can trust such a person. So you can see below here he has some positive feedback, negative feedback, and all of that. So basically, this person is a verified customer. So you just quickly click on make payment down here, and then for me, I'll be using mobile money to pay him. So I'll just tap on the mobile money. If you have EcoBank, if you have Vodafone Cash, then it means you'll be paying through that medium. So I'll use MTN mobile money. So now here is a tricky something. Sometimes you see where he has the phone number written. Sometimes some people actually place their phone numbers there, but since this guy doesn't have his phone number, you are going to have to text him. So you click on the chat at the top here, just tap on chat. So here he places some basic information here. He says EcoBank users move blah blah. Okay, I'm not using EcoBank. So MTN, kindly allow cash out, send your number, approve payment. Okay, so since I'll be using the MTN mobile money method, I'm going to first text him that I'm about to engage. Okay, just send him a random text. It's a little network problem. Wow. Okay, so the message is gone. So here I'll quickly go back to my home screen and then allow cash out. Okay, so it's just like the simple process that we do when you go to withdraw money from the Momo vendor. So I'll click on yes and then cash out allowed. At this point, I'll just go back and text him. Okay, so I'll be waiting for him. When he reads the message, you're going to see that it ticks. Okay, these little circles will tick. So I'll just wait for him. If he sees it. Okay guys, so after waiting a long while, turns out he wasn't online. So the trade was cancelled. Here I'll be doing a different one. Just select this guy right here. So as you can see, his limit is 80 cedis. Let me input 100 cedis. Click on buy. Okay, so go ahead to make payment. So as you can see, it is the same process here. His mobile number is not available. So I'll go to the chat section, see what he has to say. Read the following terms. Okay, make payment, blah blah. So yeah, basically the same thing. You send your Momo number and then you allow cash out. So I'll do that briefly. Okay, so that's my Momo number. I'll quickly go ahead and allow cash out. So you just do it the normal process when you go to the Momo vendor. Okay. So now that cash out is allowed, I'm going to inform him that I'm done, and then we wait for his prompt. Okay guys, so he just responded here. as you can see. So I'll be waiting for his prompt before. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, be sure to leave a like and also comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, anything you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be sure to attend to your questions. The link, he has just done it, so I'll approve of it here. Done. So I just made payment, then I'll tap on the transferred notify seller. So at this point, I'll just be patiently waiting for him to send the crypto to us. Okay, so this is basically how you buy or any cryptocurrency that you want from the Binance app. Very simple method. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, depending on the seller. Okay, so as you can see, guys, he has finally released the crypto. So that is it, 7.63 USDT deposited into your funding wallet. I'll just click on done. So that is basically it. If you enjoyed, once again, like and subscribe. If you found it helpful, share it to a friend, and I'll see you in the next one.